Ari Wallet Airdrop listing updates, their tokenomics, and every other thing you need to know about Ari Wallet. So we are going to look at the latest updates about the tokenomics and their listing date. So here on their S account, they made this update 5 hours ago. They said dollar Ari tokenomics update, target price is 0.5 to $1 per Ari. So, and they say here the total supply is 5 million and allocation is 77.8%, liquidity providing, marketing and long-term ecosystem development. Now the mainnet, which is the mainnet and TGE, is at Q1 2026, that is January 2026. So this is their latest update. You have heard from the horse's mouth that mainnet and TGE is scheduled Q1 2026. Coming here, you can see their updated tokenomics, and they say that the ICO sell is 70 million, that is 14%, while the angle sell is 16 million, that's 3.2%, and the team is 25%. Now, Ari Foundation Fund, Liquidity Marketing Ecosystem Fund, and the rest is 7.8%. So this is the updated tokenomics, and they say that the mainnet and TG is scheduled Q1 2026. And after that, they also made another update. So they also made another update today, 4 hours ago, and they say that Ari Wallet update, don't miss this. Secure your master key now. It is the only way to recover your dollar Ari Wallet if you are locked out or face any error. So they are now telling you to go and secure your master key. Without master key, if you are being logged out from your Ari app, there is no way you can access it. And how then do you locate your master key? To locate your master key, let's go back to the Ari app. Once you are here, you click on this three line, tap on it. So you are going to locate this place, the setting icon here. Tap on this setting icon. Now you click on view master key. Once you tap on view master key, it will authorize you to put your password. Once you put your password, you click on next and your master key will be revealed to you. Go and do this right away. Secure your account. So many users has been locked out from their Ari account because they lost their master key. And if you forgot your password and you change your password, your master key is also changing together with the password. So as you're changing your password, make sure you're also updating your notebook where you saved your master key with the new changed password so that you will not lose access to your account. Go right now and secure your account and wait for their mainnet and TGE Q1 2026. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for high value update. Thank you guys.